Let's review how to use the RV Operations accordion on the Budgeter page of Toolkit.law. Select the Tools section, then open the Budgeter page. Click on the RV Operations accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you'll find fields for entering all recurring and variable expenses related to RV management, including cleaning, insurance, maintenance, storage, travel, and more. Simply enter the values for each category. The tool automatically updates your total monthly cost, helping you keep every detail organized and visible in one place. You can clear or redo entries, download your results, or securely share your data, all without relying on complicated spreadsheets. By moving RV operations tracking into a digital workspace, professionals gain transparency and precision across their mobile or field-based activities. Each entry ensures accountability in budgeting, whether you're managing a mobile office, coordinating travel for legal operations, or supporting team logistics. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's RV Operations accordion.